All the basics of Roblox scripting part 1. We will first learn about all the things in Explorer. The first thing is about workspace. All the physical objects are put in here. Now let's create a base part. To do so, hover your mouse over Workspace in Explorer and click on the plus sign. Then click on Part after New Small UI appears. This creates a new part. Now click on it to select it. You can press and hold to move it around too. Roblox also has shortcut keys to go into different modes. You can press 2 on your keyboard, so you can move the part. You can also manually select the Move option by going to Home tab and selecting on the Move option in Tools group. You can also press 3 to go into Scale mode and 4 to go into Rotate mode or manually select it. You can also select how many studs it rotates scales or moves at once. To do so, go to Model Group, and in Snapping Group, you can edit it. You can also rename any object by double-clicking it or doing it using properties. But seriously, no one does it using properties anyway. Now let's move to players. And yep, it contains all the players in the server, though it's actually pretty useful. Now let's move to lightning. From here, you can change how the sky looks like. Go to Toolbox and search your desired sky and insert it. Remember, it doesn't require any script, so if any does, don't insert it. You can also change the time of the day and turn off shadows, especially if your mom is in the game, because it will lag the hell out of the game. Now, let's move to Replicated first. Basically, it downloads anything inside it before anything else. Now, let's move to Replicated storage. It contains all the remote events, bindable events, remote functions, bindable functions, and module scripts. Now, let's move to Server Script Service. Just by its name, you can say it's a home for server scripts. Local scripts don't work here. They are not welcomed. No matter what, don't ever put a local script in here. Only server scripts are welcomed. Now, let's move to server storage. Animation that you make are stored here. You can also put tools and other physical objects in here. Literally anything so you can access it later. Now time for Starter GUI and Starter Pack. All the UI is stored in Starter GUI, and all the tools are stored in Starter Pack. Now, let's move to Starter Player. You can edit some limitations of player using the properties. Also, it has 2 children called Starter Player Scripts and Starter Character Scripts. Now let's move to Scripts. Here are the types of scripts and about it. Now let's script. You can name the script however you want, but make sure it doesn't have spaces. First, let's try printing. Make sure you have Output window opened. As you can see, hello appeared. Also, this is a command bar. It can do both client and server tasks, but only runs once. Now let's type variables. This is called a string. This is an int variable. It contains a number. This is a Boolean. It's either true or false. Now, let's print variables. Let's say you want to print a string with an int. First type, and put anything else inside it. Now you put after it or before it. If you put after the string, then use the variable name you want to use, else type before. As you can see, it printed the int variable after the string, but there's a problem. It has no space in between. To fix this, just add a space after your message is complete in the string, just like this. See, it fixed a problem. Now let's try with just a number. No extra thing. You might have noticed that I put no dots in it, yet it still worked. Now let's print a Boolean with a string. You can see it doesn't work. It's because Roblox doesn't allow you to print a Boolean with something else, so we must force it. To do so, replace it with toString, your underscore Boolean. Replace your underscore Boolean with your actual variable. Now let's understand, how does the two dots play a crucial role. In fact, they help join strings, ints, and booleans. I have written the role of them on the screen. Let me read it out to you. Just in conclusion, use the two dots only when there is something before or after the string or number. If no messages are before the variable or after, then don't use the two dots.